we're also going to need to find the mass of the dinosaur. This is kind of like weight, but not really. We use a balance for this, and a balance takes the weights that it has here and compares it to these weights here. And because it's a comparison, we call it mass instead of weight. So this whole thing will talk about mass. Now sometimes in everyday conversation we use the two words interchangeably, but that's not technically correct, just so that you know. Now, to find that, we're going to be using a triple beam balance, which most of you haven't really used since about 3rd grade. So this is a little quick refresher on how this thing works. You put your dinosaur on the scale. We'll have it so your face is there. Now, dinosaur goes on the scale. Then you make sure that all the little pieces are over here by the scale. Then you take the biggest piece and you move it over until this end goes to the bottom. So move over. Nope, doesn't go to the bottom yet. There it goes. Once you do that, you go back 1 notch. Now it is important that these stay in the notches. If they're in between notches, you're not going to have an accurate measurement. After you've set up your large weight, then you go to the smaller weight in the back. Each of these goes up by 10. The first one went up by 100. Now, you move this up until this goes down to the bottom. And then you go back 1. So far I have 180, but it's still a little light. So now I use the simple 1 gram thing way in the front last. And I move it over until this goes to the 0 mark. So as we move this over, it'll start to wobble back and forth. Try to adjust it really slowly until it gets to the 0 mark. I think I'm a little heavy. Problem is it moves when you touch it. So here I have 182.6. If you look really closely at the scale, can you see the numbers in the front?
Wait, no.
You can't see the numbers in the front?
I can see that there's numbers, but I can't see what they are.
You can't see what they are?
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
See how that there's numbers and there's lines between those numbers? Though each line is 1/10 of a gram. You need to measure to the 1/10 of a gram. So you're going to end up with a number like 2.1 or 6.5 for your masses. And that's how you do mass. Stop it.